这就是我们要去深海潜水的这个路。我们要先上这个船。OK。OK， 给我套上这个，这个大概算一救生衣吧。
坐这儿，你往哪儿走
？Make yourself at home, guys. Just waiting on the others. Okay, had some ice cold water on board for you. Make yourself at home, guys. Boat is all yours.
OK。Feel, help yourself.
Certified different depths.
Yeah.
Long fast time.
Yeah, it takes like 10 or 15 years.
Well, like I say, I've done some certified diving. Go spread that. Go spread that. Go spread that.
Spectacularly beautiful day. You guys did you also? Fabulous.
我们现在离开了。
Right, it's gonna be a fun day. You guys excited?
离开岸边了。这有很多，这些都是他们都是这边当地的导游。哇，看一看这个水，非常的清啊，下面都是水草啊。有汽油味。啊？你给我拍的时候，我也给他拍，对着拍。
You're playing solo today. Good on you, man. Right, it's gonna be a fun day. What's in your wristband? I'm playing solo too. Here we go.
Okay,
Ah,
we are
there's a
in
two. Here we go.
Yes. Thank you.
My pleasure. You guys are 1, 2, 3, 4? Fabulous.
好，我们到船头上去看看。哇，这很漂亮的，看一看。哇，再看一看，非常的漂亮。这儿很浅，这儿很浅。看看那边的这个椰子树，那边有钓鱼的船，那个小船可能是海上的 taxi。我们慢慢的要离开这个贝了。来看一看， 太棒了。其实我们下去这个地方离海并不远，离海边并不远。驾驶员在这开船了，他们好像在找这个要停船的这个地点，可能他们是不是知道这个鱼在什么地方？他们肯定要找一个好一点的地点给我们看鱼啊，是不是啊？这个小的 scooter 据说很有意思的，它那个到时候把头放到里面去以后吧，它这个上面的空间里面就是真空，也不是真空，就是里面有空气在里面，所以就不会进去。好，我们过去听听的开始。
What I will give you here quickly is a briefing on this boat as well as on the scooter. Yes, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it. Before that, let me go ahead and introduce to you guys the crew that's here to keep you all safe. I'm going to start off with our boat captain. He's in charge. Any concerns, go to him. Round of applause for Omar.
这是欧玛，这是
Assisting him on board, he's in charge of answering your questions. We got Victor.
是 Victor， 是我们的导游。
I do recommend everybody here to do this. It's a real beautiful area. Lots of coral life, lots of fish life. You will enjoy snorkel activity. Taking care of you on snorkeling today, we got Damien. Safety divers, we got Amanda.
Hi guys.
We got Joseph. Hey guys. Charlie Sue. Morning guys. And we got Corby.
Morning.
Today we also have the privilege of having an underwater photographer. She will be talking more about what she does with after I finish up. Round of applause for Suzanne.
Hello.
That's all the staff that's here to take care of you guys. They all speak very good English. Have any questions? Whatever island, whatever ocean, feel free to talk to any one of them. And moving on to the boat, on board we have a first aid kit and a O2 kit. Any breathing problems, any injuries, let us know. Trash bin is located next to the captain. Please guys, any trash, place in the trash bin. Cruise ship policy, all we can offer you guys today is some ice cold water. I do recommend everybody here to hydrate themselves before going into the scooter. Makes a much better dive for you. Your cups are in the dry box. Please, whenever you have a cup, hold on to it until the end of the day for us, please, okay? Snorkel equipment. All your fins are located in this white box up here where these ladies and gentlemen are being seated. Ladies, they're all men's size. Whenever asking or grabbing your fins, please adjust accordingly and size your tool down for us, please. Once you do have your fins, you do know they fit. Try not to put them on way up here and do a duck walk to the ladder. Accidents do happen. Please place your fins on at the ladder at best in the water. Masses are located on the way back to my right hand side. The way it works, you have two big brown tubs. One of them has your mask, where detergent as well, chlorine as, and a tub of chlorine water. You take one out of that tub, The other tub is a tub of fresh water. That's where you will get to rinse your mask and you're good to go. Like I said before, anyone here who's never snorkeled before, have a long time haven't done it, make sure to see them yet. After your boss activity, after your snorkel activity, you want to take a shower, you do have one on board, feel free to make that happen at any time. Moving up to what you guys came to do. If at this time anyone's a little nervous about this, please don't be. It's really recreational, maximum depth 10 feet. You can't fall off, you can't tilt over. What I will give you a quick briefing is on how to enter, exit, and also manage your scooter. What we're going to do, we're going to lower these guys to the back of the boat, bring them across to the ladder 5-10 feet away. Captain Omar, he will assign you a number. As you guys can see, they all have a number. Please go to that specific number. The reason why, the sea scooters are all designed for different heights. Damien will help us demonstrate. Captain will give you a number, you will take your short swim over. Notice, he's throwing the buoyancy ball at the very tip. Why you want to hold it at the tip, keeps you nice and floaty at the surface, and the distance you away from the sea scooter, that way you're not banging your feet into it. Diver's going to swim up, remove the buoyancy ball out of your hands. Grab a hand base directly behind the sea scooter as well as the other. Basically what he just did, he just lined you up so that you may enter straight in. That way you're not figuring out, so I have to turn around. No. Remember when entering, you will enter straight in, head first. Why do I say head first? If you try sitting first, you will never fit. It will look like this and it never works. You do make this happen, you will have to come back up. Dive leader is going to once more remind you, sir, head first, nice and gently, something like this. Much easier in the water, okay? Yes, it's a little different than breathing up here, but I promise if you give it a minute, you will get used to it. Can everybody tell me what is this sign?
Okay.
Okay.
Good. Sorry, and you stand over here by the pup, please. Thank you so much. Yes, it is the okay sign that goes for a question as well as an answer. Direct, if you are okay, please give it right back. What happens if you're not okay? Poke the hand as far up as possible, and you will give me this sign. This is our distress sign. This means something is wrong. The diver is going to quickly come over. Sometimes you can point out your problems. For example, something is wrong with the boss scooter. Something is wrong with my ears. Something is wrong. I want to go up. Yes, there is a possibility that you may point out your problem, but if you are okay, please give the okay sign whenever it's asked for. He will extend your buoyancy ball to 10 feet. Notify you, sir, we're going down. It's time to equalize. We at Tower say 3 feet, then we descend. We feel an exact pressure on our ears. The way we remove that pressure, we equalize by pinching our nose. We try exhaling right back to our same nose, but we're not. We're just popping our ears. Can you guys do that once for me, please? Very important that you know how to equalize. How will you make this happen? Yes, your hands are able to go into the bubble. You can pinch your nose, move the salt air from your eyes, your hands. How free access in the bubble. As we descend, I do recommend equalize as often as possible. How to manage your scooter? You guys have a handle. It's not a forward handle. It will never move. It's a nice little lift handle. You lift from side to side. Hold on left, it will go left. Hold on right, it will go right. Keep it centered. It will go straight. You have one button you're allowed to touch. That's your go button. It's located on your right hand side. The way it works. You press, you go. You let go, you stop. My advice. Once you do press it, hold it down. Cruise yourself around a coral reef. It's a much more enjoyable ride than pressing off and on. On your left hand side, you guys are going to find two big white buttons. That is going to touch those. He will say do not touch. Those are for us down to lower the scooters as they come back up. Right hand button, touch all you want. Left hand buttons, do not touch. Proper way of positioning your feet on the scooter straight up forward. Those are all the instructions I have to give you. If by any means you forget any, no problem. It's your vacation. You will have divers to constantly remind you on what you need to do. Everybody's breathing fine. You did a practice ride. You're going to put you in a starting line. It's going to look something like this. Everybody holding hands. It is a guided tour. You must follow your dive leader. He will go ahead of the line, get everyone's attention. He will mimic, let go hands. You guys are going to let go hands, place them on the console, press your go button, and follow him. Whole tour is about a half an hour. We brought you underwater cameras. Feel free to take pictures with the different coral reefs, different fishes while we're moving. Please do not take pictures with your family members while the whole tour is moving. Reason why? It's very hard for you to get at a good angle and snap pictures with them. Try to make it happen. You hold back everybody else. You guys have a wristband with a letter and a number. That wristband will allow us on our stop to gather you right back with your family members. If you have a camera, feel free to give it to any of the divers. They'll be more than happy to snap your family pictures for you. Important to remember, once we do make you hold hands, please remain that way for just a minute. The photographer will also go around snapping the family photos, after which we can continue on with our dive. We're going to go around, come back to the ladder. I will notify sir we're going up. At this time, feel free to sit there and do nothing. We'll take you to the surface. My last
Ronnie, what are you doing, bro?
water, bro.
他们现在都在把这个每一辆这个车子先放到水里。这个车子是带有马达的，也有氧气瓶。然后下面是他们的队员在那儿，我现在才知道，哦，原来是他们的队员带着把这些东西吧，还要拿到那边，离开水面的地方去了，到那边去。